Welcome to another Delft Stack tutorial video. If your Mac screen suddenly looks zoomed in and everything appears larger than normal, don't worry. This is usually caused by the built-in Zoom accessibility feature. To quickly zoom back out, press the Option, Command, and 8 keys together on your keyboard. This shortcut turns Zoom on or off, so if Zoom was accidentally enabled, your screen should immediately return to its normal size. If you want to use the zoom feature instead of turning it off completely, you can control the zoom level with keyboard shortcuts. Hold Option and Command, then press the minus key to zoom out or the plus key to zoom in. This lets you adjust the screen magnification without disabling the feature. It can be useful if you need a closer view of text, images, or small interface elements. Before we continue, if you find this tutorial helpful, consider subscribing to the channel and checking out our other Mac and iPhone guides. It helps support the channel and keeps you updated with new tutorials. If you'd rather disable screen zoom completely, open System Settings on your Mac and select Accessibility from the sidebar. Then click Zoom. Here, you'll find the option to use keyboard shortcuts for zoom. If this setting is enabled, simply turn it off to prevent the zoom feature from being activated with shortcuts in the future. You'll also notice that the available zoom shortcuts are listed here, which can be helpful if you ever need them again. There's another way to zoom using your trackpad. Depending on your macOS version and settings, you can use accessibility gestures such as double tapping with 3 fingers to zoom in and out. If the gesture is available on your Mac, it can be a quick alternative to keyboard shortcuts. While you're in the zoom settings, you can also explore different zoom styles. Full screen zoom enlarges the entire display, picture-in-picture creates a movable zoom window, and split screen zoom keeps part of the screen magnified while the rest remains normal. You can test each mode and choose whichever works best for you. There are also advanced options available if you want more control over how zoom behaves. That's all there is to zooming out your Mac screen and managing the zoom feature. Thanks for watching this Delft Stack tutorial video, and we'll see you in the next one.